Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Here we have to find the build number, which is, as you can see, at the very bottom of the list, and all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got a pattern pin or password set, then probably you'll have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, because thanks to this you're opening very advanced options. So just enter it, and if you can see the information that you're in the developer mode, you can go back, and here we have to find the developer options. Probably they will be in the system, so let's tap on system, let's enter advanced, and as you can see here we've got developer options, so we can enter. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So here we've got some options which are connected to the duration scale, for example, animations. Here we can show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, network in general, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options, advanced options. So if you'd like to turn on something, just make sure that it is marked just like here, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, for example, like here in the Bluetooth audio channel mode, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. Unfortunately, in this right now in this device, I cannot switch the modes because we are it is not supported by this phone or headset. But okay, whatever. Let me show you another option, maybe, for example, this one. And as you can see, all of those options are active here. Okay, so if you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the very top. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive. And after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries if you'd like to customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.